Welcome back to MathMedC. Today we are going to see the representing data. Okay, before that we can recap the yesterday's topic, that statistics. What is meant by statistics? I have read yesterday. You do that? Yeah. If you recall that yesterday's topic means you will be little easy to understand today's topic. Okay, statistics means collecting data, organizing and understanding. If you do these three means you can make the decision perfectly. Okay, data means collecting the information. What is the types of data? Two types of data, primary and secondary. Primary means collecting information directly. Secondary means collecting information from the source of primary. Qualitative means not a number. Quantitative means it comes in number. Quantitative are of two types. Discrete quantitative means whole numbers. Continuous quantitative means whole number and decimal number. It is on all height, weight and length. Okay, let's move to today's topic. Representing data. Representing data is the process of turning a raw information into a clear visual or a structured form so the pattern and the comparison become easy to see. Okay. Common method includes frequency table, bar chart, pie and histograms. Summarizing a large set of numbers first, spotting the pattern and trends, comparing groups, identifying the outliers, make decision based on the evidence. That and all comes in a representing. Representing data means a process of turning the information into clear visual or structured form of patterns. Okay, and comparing become easier to see. Comparison become easier to see that one form to another form. Okay, that all comes under the representing data. First, bar chart. Bar chart is a bar graph. Bar chart is a bar graph that display data using the bars either vertical or horizontal. Each bar represents the category of height, length or other informations. Okay, let's see. Bars are separate and used for categories. It is visual tool to display categorical data using a rectangular bars. The larger height of the bar, the higher the value for the individual category. Okay. Bars do not touch each other because they represent the discrete categories. They represent the discrete categories. Longer the bar, larger the value. Useful for comparing the groups such as types of movies, colors, etc. Okay, let's see that some by examples to understand more about the bar charts. Okay, let's move to the example. Draw a bar chart to represent the frequency of colored car that triggered a speed camera on a busy road during 1 month. Okay, car color black, white, red, blue and other colors are also moving on that month. So frequency means you can see 12 frequencies of black cars, 13 frequencies of white car, 5 frequency of red car and 11 frequency of blue car and 9 some mixed other colors. Okay, let we find the answer. We have to draw the car color on x-axis and frequencies on a y-axis. This is the bar chart. This is bar chart. Why the bar chart is useful? You know that They make the comparison between the category very clearly. Yes, black chart, white, black car, white car, red car, blue car, and other cars. Car color on x-axis and frequencies on y-axis. We have marked this by using the given values. Okay, this is the bar chart of this question. Okay, black comes in 12 frequencies, so 12. White comes in 13, so 13. Red comes in 5 and blue comes in 11. Blue comes in 11 and others comes in 9. Okay, this is the bar chart diagram. Do you understand the bar charts? Okay, let's see the bar charts uses. They make the comparison between the category very clearly, how the other frequencies are appears. They work well categorical discrete data because it is not touchable. Okay, they help to identify the trend of difference of car moved on the same month. I think you have clear on bar charts. We can move to the pie chart. Pie chart is a circular graph used to show how a whole is divided into a part. Each slice represents a category and the size of the slice shows it's the proportion of total. Okay, let's see. A pie chart is one of the several chart types that provides a visual representation of all items of a data. Within a data set, the sector of a pie chart are proportional to the different items in the data set. The larger the sector, the higher the frequency of the data in the category. To calculate the angle of a sector, we have the formula for finding the angle of the sector. Angle of sector is equal to f divided by t into 360 degree. You can find that the larger the quantity occupied by the circle means that the larger the frequency. So we have to find the angle of sector by this formula. Uses within a business, it is used to compare area of the growth such as turnover, profit and exposure. You can find it by the drawing. To show performance of a students in a test also, you can find the teachers are using the graph, this performance of the students, how many of them got above 80 and A plus grade. You can easily see by the pie chart. The picture is a simple and easy to understand. Okay, next we can move. Example, 20 students ask about which subject they have before lunch. Draw a pie chart to show the data in the frequency table. You know the pie chart represent a full 100% of something. If you split means you can make the proportions, fractions, the percentage also, their partitioning of the percentage also. Okay, subject English, Maths, PT, Science, Technology, History. English 5, Maths 3, PT 1, Science 6, Technology 4 and History 1. Given that total number of students is 20. Okay, first we have to take the English. English is equal to phi frequency. Using the formula before, angle of a sector is equal to f divided by t into 360 degree. F we know that 5 and total we know that 20, and into 360 means if you cancel means you get 90. Max means max we have 3 frequencies. Substituting in the angle of a sector, 3 divided by 20 into 360 means you get 54. Similarly for PT, F is equal to 1. So 1 divided by 20 into 360 is equal to 18. Sines is F is equal to 6. F is equal to 6. We have to substituting the value in the given formula, we get 108. Similarly for technology and history, we have to find the values, and if you want to substitute in a pie chart, this one circle is 100% of the value. If you want to means making the value by substituting in a 100 degree. First, English means 90 degree. We all know that 90 degree comes from this. This is a 90 degree, the whole sector, English. Next, max 54 degree. Making the protector, on that we can make that degree 54 degree max. PT 18 degree, this is the 18 degree PT, and science is 108. We have to make the 108 degree. This is science, and technology is 72, and history is 18. When you make it in a protector, you make the perfect one, but we have to make that in a rough work, so I used this. Okay, I think you have understand this question of pie chart. Next we can move to line graph. You have understand the pie chart and bar chart in representing data. If you have any questions or queries, please comment me. I will explain you in the next session. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next class. Thank you.